Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you have seen, we have done with the modeling part of this. So let's continue with the texturing part. So very first of all, let's go into rendering, render setup, and let's set the renderer as Vray over here. Press M, go into material editor. Let's go into mode, slate material editor. Let's take a V-Ray material over here. So over here, let's select a color. Let's take a green color and just assign that material over here. So select this, press 4. So let's first convert this all to editable poly. So select this, press 4 over here and select this all. Go into material and let's assign a color. Control I, that's your inverse. Let's again take one more. We're just applying a shader. Let's assign a white color to it. That's it. Alright. So select this. Again select this over here. Press 4. Press M and Control I, inverse, and just assign it in this. So same thing, we'll go with this also. So press 4, go into material, Control I, and just inverse it. Select this, go into material and assign this. Select this and this. Assign the same white color over here. Again go into this polygons over here. So select all this polygons over here. Go into material and give a color. Control I and assign it. After that, let's select this. Again go into this material and assign a color. So texturing is quite easy for this. So again select this polygons, the bottom polygon over here, material. Let's take a new V-Ray material and let's give a bit of a darker color. So let's give a bit of a darker color to it. Assign a darker color. So if you want to give some kind of ads over here, you can easily assign those ads. For that we'll be definitely assigning some loops over here. So let's assign some swift loops over here for the ads. Alright. So select this and this. Let's go into this and let's give this color. Let's give a white color So we are going to repeat this over here. Same for this and this. So go into material and assign this color to it. So for the walls, we are again going to create this white color to it. To go into this polygons over here, press M, material, take a Vray material over here, and if you want to give any kind of a texture, let's go into the texture over here. You can just assign any texture to it. So Control I, inverse, and let's give this same black color to it. So after that, what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll be just selecting all this lights over here. Just select all these lights and let's go into the Vray material. Let's take a Vray material, or we can even take a Vray light material over here. So we can just assign a light material, or you can just give a self illumination also. So you can give that also. So just assign that. So save your file again. So once you're done with this, so we can assign some texture over here also for the floor or something. If you want to assign a texture, you can easily assign it. So first we will just give a light material for this also, and let's go into this. Let's take a text over here. Let's click over here and let's just write as Q tutorials center alignment, and if you want you can use this stuff over here and reduce this, or you have a modifier, that's your Extrude Modifier. You can use a Extrude Modifier over here and can go down and you can just scale that and just push it up. So you can just assign some kind of color to it again. So let's give a black color which would be much visible. So after you are done with this, same thing, you can just take a copy of it. Just take a copy of this and rotate it and push it. So just push it inside. Okay, fine. So you want any color over here, you can just assign a color, or we'll just assign a wooden flooring texture. So let's go into this and let's assign some wooden flooring texture. So you can just assign this texture to it. Alright. So just save your file over here. For this, if you want to assign a glass material, you can just easily assign a glass material over here. So let's go into material. Let's take a Vray material and the refract, assign it. So inverse that, and let's give a metal material. Let's make it look more metallic over here. So for the metallic look, let's increase the reflectiveness. Let's give a color, and into that you can just off this. That's it. So you can go in this way. Alright. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.